Ugh, this looks disgustingly cinematic. Let's fix that quick. Let's start off by removing these black bars. Alright, let's go and get rid of that colour grade, because who needs colour grading? Now this lighting is creating way too much contrast on this side of the face. It looks way too cinematic. I'm going to turn up the fill light. Hopefully it looks a bit flatter and more boring now. In fact, let's just go and turn off all the lights entirely. That's much better with just a standard ceiling light. Hopefully the white balance is off now too. All this background music and sound effects, they need to go too, because they help to create an immersive, interesting experience. Let's get rid of those. 3 more to go. The first is to definitely not buy my 52 Laws of Video ebook by clicking the first link in this video's description. Alright, let's go and get rid of this shallow depth of field, and let's use a really narrow aperture, just so everything in the background is really distracting. One more step to go, and that's to fix this composition so it looks even worse. Standing really close to a white wall should just about do the trick.